Surfing session 256, breaking in the new GoPro Hero 12 Black. I'm in my third year of surfing and I went surfing early Sunday morning before breakfast. I had a great time. I was breaking in my new GoPro Hero 12 Black. It replaces my GoPro 7, which was starting to malfunction after years of use and abuse. This camera records video very well, and I was using the settings with 1080p, 60 frames per second, and Superview mode. These are the same settings for my old GoPro, so I wanted to compare the two. This new GoPro, however, actually has some other features which should make the videos even more detailed, and it has smoother stabilization. Do you use the GoPro Hero 12 Black? You know, I set this up with custom settings, but I don't really know what the best settings are for surfing. If you do use this, please share any friendly tips on how to use it for surfing. And I really enjoyed using it. The automatic settings that I had in the custom settings, however, it did cause some dark footage when I was backlit against the sun for a few moments. You know, I need to figure out how to adjust the ISO settings to avoid that. I think the ISO settings set up the sensitivity to light for the camera. By the way, I'll also share a link for the GoPro bundle that I purchased. This is the creator bundle, and it came with some accessories. In case you're interested, check the YouTube description. This day I caught several rights and a few lefts. I'm starting to twist my body more on the top turn. You know, I'm bending to the right or left on the bottom turn, and the top turn, it feels more like a twist to me. It seems to reorient my board to go back down the wave and continue going down the line and generating speed. You know, in the future, I'm still working on improving though, and I'd like to get my rail into the water more for the top turn. I think I need to lean sideways more and press the rail in the water with the drop knee turn, just like I do on the bottom turns. So I'll continue working on that. On one of my longest waves, the GoPro unfortunately was leaning at an awkward angle, so the footage isn't great because my head is chopped off. However, it does help show what my feet and what the rails of the board are doing. You know, like I said, I'm trying to get the rail in the water more to surf rail to rail for the bottom turn and the top turn. And you know, what I've understood is the bottom turn is more of like a lean and the top turn is more like a twist. But I'm sure it's really a combination of leaning, twisting, and compressing and extending as well. I enjoyed today's surfing session. It was early in the morning. It was great to see everyone out surfing and having a fun time. It was crowded, so we all had to be careful. I was using my solid LHP longboard. This is a 9'2" high-performance longboard with a 2+1 fin setup. I love it because I can catch a lot of waves with it, and I can turn it well enough, though I'm still learning. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. This is part of my surfing progression playlist on YouTube. Thanks for watching.